Hare Krishna, I am Srinivas. The world is changing fast with technology, especially AI, set to displace jobs across industries. There will be no more software programmer or coder jobs. AI will take their jobs, and hopefully, new types of jobs will be created. Even skilled professionals in IT, finance, law, healthcare, like radiologists, or in creative fields like advertising, will face challenging future as automation and AI handles routine and analytical tasks. In the next decade or two, only niche specialized skills will ensure survival. Traditional 9 to 5 jobs will largely vanish. They will be replaced by gig economy work for those with rare expertise or where manual workers are needed. The white collar jobs are the ones which are going to be most affected. AI will shrink job market opportunities significantly. Only those who master using AI will find work. And even then, opportunities will be limited. Companies leveraging AI for efficiency will thrive, while others struggle. This course focuses only on long term investing. It does not talk about any sort of trading like day trading, derivative trading, etc. Trading is stressful, while investing is not. You can create long term wealth by investing. The ultimate solution: learn investing and own a piece of successful business through stocks. This is the only reliable way to beat inflation, generate passive income, and achieve long term financial security in an increasingly uncertain job market. Investing is a game of probabilities. Investing is an art and science. Here, 1 plus 1 can be 0 or it can be 100. If you can learn how to identify good stocks with modes and hold for long term, you can create long term wealth. Welcome to the Basics of Stock Market course. This course is designed to make the stock market learning simple, practical, and easy to understand for beginners. You do not need any finance background to start. We'll begin from the very basics and move step by step. If you are a student from any stream, whether BCom, BSc, or diploma or engineering, this is right place to learn about stock market. You could be middle-aged working person who would like to learn about investing, then this is the right place for you. In this course, you will learn why you need to invest in stock market, what is a stock, how the stock market works, power of compounding. Power of compounding is very important. And stock market terms like what is equity capital, what is market capital, what is issue price, what is EPS, what is PE, what is book value, etc. And also corporate actions and its impact on the share price, like what is bonus shares, what is stock split, etc. Some of the chart basics, this is only from the investing point of view, not from the trading. And different types of orders you can place on your broker's site. And trading types of stocks like value stock, growth stock, etc. And also study of wealth creators, how companies generated wealth for the investors. By the end of this course, you will have a clear foundation in stock market basics, better understanding of how to approach investing in disciplined way. This course will not make you master of investor overnight, and that is not the promise. Investing is a serious skill that takes learning, practice, and patience. You will need to read annual reports, study quarterly results, understand new businesses, and learn how to evaluate a company's true value. You must develop the emotional discipline to stay invested for long term. My job is to teach how to fish, the methods, the mindset required for investing, and the skill. But how well you fish depends on you. How much time you spend learning, understanding businesses, and build your own analysis skill or judgment. It is like learning to swim. I can teach you the technique, but you must enter the water, practice consistently, and build the stamina to stay afloat for the long run.